Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky.
In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks about permutation. Okay, so before discussing or starting permutation, let me share some information about factorial. Okay, factorial. What is the meaning of factorial? So suppose we are given here O into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. Now, just tell me, can we have a symbol to represent this in a shortcut? Can we write this in a very short way? Okay, so let's see here again one more example. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. What about this? Can we use any symbols or any symbol? Is there any symbol which can be used to write this in short? Let me write here 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. What about this? Do we have any symbol which can represent this? So, okay, that is what it's called factorial. Yes. Now, the answer is yes. So, this can be simply written as 6 factorial, or we can write here factorial 6. This can be written as here 4 factorial or 4. This can be written as here 10 factorial, or we can write here this. This is the factorial. Okay, so factorial means product of the numbers from 1 to that number. Okay, continued product from 1 to that number. Okay, that is the factorial. So factorial 3 into 4 dot n minus 1 into n. Okay, that means here 5 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, so if you multiply this, simply it represents here 120, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 6, 120. Similarly, we can write here 4 factorial equals 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, up to 4, 1 from 1 to 4, so that's here 6 into 4, 24. Similarly, we can write here 3 factorial as 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. We can write here 2 factorial, symbol is here. So for 2 factorial, 1 into 2, that's here 2. Okay, so that means note down here. So factorial is for each n belongs to n. Remember, n factorial is defined. N factorial is simply here 1 into 2 into 3 into dot up to n. Okay, that is called factorial. Now, let's see how we can simplify the problems regarding factorial. For this, you have to note down, note here, one more note here, note 0 factorial is 1. I'm going to prove also. For this, there is easy proof. For always 0 factorial, we will write as 1. How we can write this? So as I told here, n factorial means what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into dot n minus 1 times n factorial. So what we can write here, if we write here n factorial, so equals 1. So what we can write here, so for n factorial we can write like this. So this can be written as here, if we write here n minus 1 So sorry, here there is no factorial. So n minus 1 factorial, if we take up to here, so it will be n minus 1 factorial. So okay, so let's see the 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So if we take only this much, so it is going to be here 5 into 4 factorial. Also we can write here 5 factorial can be written as here 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So for this I can write here, if I take up to here first three numbers, so it is 3 factorial times 4 into 5. So this is how we can solve the problems regarding factorial. Let me solve one problem and then explain it so that it will be more clear to you. So suppose there is 6 factorial by 2 factorial. So don't cut it this way. So if you write like this here 2 3 is 6 and then here 3 factorial, that is wrong. We can't write like this. So how we are solving? 6 factorial by 2 factorial means simply it is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 and then into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial, 2 factorial cancel. So we can write here 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. That is here, it is 30 into 12. So it will be 360. This is how we solve. Okay, while cancelling, while in case of cancellation, please be careful. This is how we solve the problems regarding factorial. Okay, so now after explaining this factorial, now we can understand the, I can explain easily the permutation. What is the permutation? So it is just arrangements. Okay, arrangements of objects. Okay, remember in this case order matters. Okay, that is order is important. Okay, I mean to say that if I write here 1 2 and then if we just I change their position, so that will be 2 1 and they are not equal, so value it's different. If by changing the order, if the value also changes, so that is actually permutation. Okay, so now what are the formulas for permutation? How do we use the symbols? What is the symbol for permutation? This is what I'm going to explain. So suppose here for if the arrangements of n objects taken are at a time is written as here n p r, also it is written as here p n r, and the formula is simply here n factorial by n minus r factorial. Now I'm going to explain how do we solve the problems regarding permutation. Okay, this is the symbol. It is what is the meaning. Let me explain by taking one example. Suppose here you are going to simplify this 5p2. So it's simply by formula as I told you npr. What is the formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial. So it is here by formula 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial. So what is the answer? If we simplify, 5 factorial can be written as here 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Also, and this is here 3 factorial, so it can be written as here 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this is 1 into 2 into 3, so this cancel, so it is here simply 20. Or also you can simplify in this way also 5 factorial by this is 3 factorial, so or this can be solved 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. This is another way of solving 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So again here we are getting the same answer. Now I'm going to share. Actually, the super fast trick, how we are getting the answer. So simply remember this. So we have got here same answer, but what is the trick for this? How can we solve the same within the second? So trick is here. If you want to see the trick, the simple. So what is here? 2 means right here. Two numbers start from 5 and come down 2 steps. So 5 into 4 answer is 20. That's your answer. Let me explain one more thing. So suppose here you write 5 be 3, so answer will be simply 5 into 3 steps. Okay, so 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60. That's your answer. You can check here by formula also, we are getting the same thing. Formula is here 5 factorial and 5 minus 3 factorial, that can be written here 5 factorial by 2 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. Again by cancellation we are getting the same thing. So in very shortly we can simplify the problem of permutation in this way. So remember this R represents the number of steps. Just you multiply twice if it is here 2, if 5 then 5 times, and come down from this number one by one. Okay, this is what we are, this is how we are solving the problems of permutation. Okay, so before solving now, let's take here some problems and then I'll be solving problems one by one. Okay, hope you are understanding this. If you have any confusion, please write it in comments so that I can help you, I can support you. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, then share among your friends. Thank you so much. God bless you. And 3 equals 13 pn plus 1 3. So let's simplify the formula. 16 times n factorial by n minus 3 factorial, 13 times n plus 1 factorial by, we can write here n plus 1 minus 3 factorial. So how we can simplify? So 16 n factorial by, it is here n minus 3 factorial. Okay, so after that you write here 13. Now let's simplify this. So n plus 1 times n factorial, and this is n minus 2, means we can write here n minus 2 times n minus 3 factorial. This to cancel. Okay, this n factorial cancel. So what we are getting here, 16 n minus 32 equals 13 n plus 13. So this gives here 3n, and if we bring this to this side, so it will be here 13 plus 32, it gives here 3n equals how much? So 30, 40, 45, therefore we can write here n equals 15. And once you have the value of n, we can find now here. So therefore we can write p n2 equals here p 15 and 2. So by formula 15 factorial by 15 minus 2 factorial, we can have answer as 15 factorial by 13 factorial, as we just discussed. 15 into 14 into 13 factorial by 13 factorial. This is your answer. So we can multiply this here. 15 into 4 is 60, so 0, 15 and 21. So that's your answer. Okay. Or in short way also you can simplify this, as I discussed earlier. Direct, you can write here trick if you want to follow trick. So after getting here, you can simply write here p 15 2 means 15 come 2 steps down from this n, 15 into 14. That's answer again here. So 210, same answer you'll be getting. Okay, this is your answer. Hope you are understanding this. If you have any confusion, please share with me. Please write it in comment box so that I can help you. Okay, number 2, for this we have solved first one. Now for 2, here we are given, let's start with the given one. So here np2 is given 6. So as we discussed here, formula we can write here n factorial by n minus 2 factorial equals 6. So now what should you do? Always expand the greater one. So n is greater than n minus 2. So we'll start like this, n. Now n minus 1, come down until you get this. So after this we'll get here n minus 2 factorial by n minus 2 factorial. So these two cancel, equals 6. We can simply write here n into n minus 1 equals 6. So it is simply by inspection also, or by guess also, 3 into 3 minus 1 equals 6. So n equals 3, or you can write like this, n square minus n minus 6 equals 0. So if you factorize, you'll be getting here minus n minus 3 times n plus 2 equals 0. Therefore we can write here n equals 3 and n not equals to minus 2, as n belongs to natural number. N is a natural number. Okay, so this is how we solve this problem. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if you have any confusion like this, please share with me, and please like and subscribe my channel if you like this. Please share this video among your friends. And now in coming days I'll be uploading many more videos according to your interest.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends, in your circle, in your social media, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.